Welcome back to my channel. I just got here in Cebu and I'm at the airport right now. Time check, it's almost 6 in the evening. I am supposed to be heading to my hostel right now, but since I only have a limited time to travel here in Cebu, so I'm gonna go head to 10,000 Roses Cafe. Hey guys, touchdown, my first destination. Okay, so what I was trying to discuss there is how to get to 10,000 Roses Cafe from Mactan Airport. So if you're traveling on a budget just like me, you can ride a yellow multi-cab just outside the airport. You can pay 8 pesos, drop off at Save More Open Market. And from Open Market, ride another yellow multi-cab going to Cordova, and fare is only 15 pesos. And from Cordova, ride a tricycab going to 10,000 Roses Cafe for only 10 pesos. And don't forget to pay the terminal fee of 20 pesos per person. Morning guys! It's day 1 in Cebu. Before exploring the city, hanap muna ako ng makakainan. I'm gonna have the whole day to explore North Cebu. Maghahabal-habal na lang siguro. If you are traveling on a budget just like me, you can go ahead and book Tropical Breeze Hostel through Agoda. I think I found JY Square Mall now. Okay, and when we say traveling on a budget, it also means having McDonald's for breakfast. Touchdown! Zero Farm! Yay! So I was able to hire a habal-habal from JY Square Mall, Cebu City. Going here, it's only 600 pesos and I availed the mountain tour. This is the first one, which is the original Zero Farm, Temple of Leah, and then lastly, we're gonna go to Top Skyline. But this is the famous windmill here. So, kay Kuya Nash ako nakakuha ng tour. Like, siya sa Facebook, guys. Nag-offer siya ng tours. Lagay ko na lang sa baba ng description box yung Facebook page and number. Going to our next destination, Top Skyline, Cebu.
Yeah.
So, just got here in Top Skyline, Cebu. They also call this Top of Cebu kasi ito daw yung highest peak here in Cebu City. So, let's go check it out. So, according to Kuya Nash, maganda daw dito pag gabi. So, if you guys are gonna come here, it's best to go here during night. Now, I see what Kuya Nash is trying to say. Yun yung Cebu. Yun, overlooking Cebu City. That's why Kuya Nash said that it's better to come here during the night because you'll see flashlights. Kuya, parang pabilog din siya, no? The weather is gloomy today.
Video mo to. Video mo to. Okay na? Oh. Bigla ka lumabas.
Lumabas ako. Ayun, okay na. Our last
destination, Temple of Leah. The best way to get around Cebu City is through renting a motorbike. So I've read on the internet na itong Temple of Leah, it's like Taj Mahal. So, may mga paupuang ganyan. Diba? Tapos ganito yung view. Pak. And just like top of Cebu, it also overlooks the whole Cebu City. So, maganda rin siya dito pag gabi. Pabalik na kami ng hostel! Mountain tour is roughly 2 hours lang talaga. We started around 7 a.m. and finished at 9:20 in the morning. And that's it for this video, guys. I'm now heading to South Bus Terminal. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!